Everyone under the sun likes easy. So we've created a thermostat that's easy to use. The Nest Thermostat E. E is for easy. It automatically turns down when you sleep and back up in the morning. E is for everywhere. Everyone likes being mobile. So the Nest Thermostat E can be controlled from anywhere with the Nest app. E is for energy saving. Everyone likes Earth. So we've created a thermostat that helps save energy. It turns itself down after you leave the house. E is for easy on the eyes, so it fits into any home. And it's easy to install yourself. The easy-to-use, energy-saving, adjustable from everywhere, easy on the eyes, easy to install, Nest Thermostat E. E is for everyone.